So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super fine. And yeah, today's challenge is to create an application icon slash logo. It's basically creating an app icon. So we'll have to go to this, maybe get some inspiration. App icons. So we'll just go randomly. We'll just get some inspiration here and there so that we could use something from here. Okay, we could use this as our backdrop, and yeah, there's a lot of good style in that also. You see this? Yeah, this looks nice. There are more, but I liked this as these are minimal. Okay, so let's try to create this. Or I'll keep plain background because that takes little extra effort. And yeah, we could do this something like a plain one, but for that I'll try to add a gradient. Today I'll be working on Illustrator so that it is easy for graphics to be done, and then I'll convert it into maybe for the XD. I'll take it to XD because I will create something on photography. So photography as in I'll make an application, camera application basically. Okay, so yeah, let's go for camera app icons. Camera app icons, a lot of stuff here. So what we'll try to keep is we'll try to keep as simple as possible. This is nice, and even this is nice because this is very simple, very simple. But yeah, we'll not have to keep it more simple because it should look something. So yeah, let's start with our camera shape, and yeah, here our camera fits in, and then we'll make a circle out of this. We'll make a circle so that the lens, it looks like a lens. Oh, take this, I'll align this to center in the middle so that I'll get this, and we'll have to add a small button, the shutter button, and I think I'll go with this. So yeah, we have our basic stuff done. Take this down and I'll change this back. So our shutter button is done, our camera lens is done, our camera body is done, and yeah, we'll go with another circle. Control C, Control V. I'll paste it in front of this. So Control Z, Control Z, Control C, and Control F for pasting in front of it. And yeah, we will keep this as our red, and this one maybe bluish silverish type of thing. And I'll actually not keep the border. Okay, so yeah, and this one will be again vice versa, and I'll remove the border, and here we'll go with again the bluish, like very dark blue. Okay, so yeah, we have our thing here. We'll shift this to here, and then we will go with another few more circles here. Control Z. Okay, V, then Control C, Control F again, and then make it a smaller one. Control C, Control Z, Control F. Okay, so we have our lens ready. So I'll just take from here, but for this I'll go little to the grayer side, maybe this way. So we'll have our differentiation, and we'll go with this and then this will be again, I think we will have to give, okay, this looks fine, but I think width of the camera is gone, and this should go a little small. So yeah, our camera icon is ready. So I'll actually have to put a, I don't know, yeah, I'll just copy this, Control C, Control F, and I'll bring it all the way top and give a gradient of maybe properties, gradient. Okay, I have gradient here, and for gradients to select edit gradient again, and where is the color options? It's been ages that I've used. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to go to Windows and then go to gradient. Yeah, gradient, and I have my color option. So we'll have to give this not CMYK, but we'll have to go with RGB. And anyways, I'll have to make it 0 opacity, and this is interesting. Gradient points, I'll give 1 point here, but what I am planning to do is I'll actually try to give opacity to 0 and this opacity to 0. So yeah, it looks fine to me. Okay. Oh, edit gradient. I will. Okay. I'll take it to 40. Why is this happening? Okay. What I'll do is I'll remove this glare and I'll try to take this to XD. So the artboard size will be 100 into 1000 into 1000. So we'll have to ungroup this. Control G. And we have our SVG format. Control C, Control F. No, it doesn't work. Control C, Control V. Yeah, I'll give it a maybe radial, and I'll actually go towards white, and then this will go to 0. This one will be again little lighter, so it looks like it is lensed. Okay. I'll have to just vice versa this. So I'll make this one will actually be a little bit young. So we have our camera lens effect also. So what I'll think is, I was thinking of putting a little bit, maybe, yeah, so that it looks like a camera. We have our flat icon. Basically this is sort of flat icon. So for this I think I can add a gradient. Gives a depth effect, and I'll give a shadow for this circle so that it looks like it is popping out like a lens. So yeah, I'll give a gradient maybe towards the side, and our icon is basically ready. So I will be putting up back what is it, the background for it. Okay, so yeah, I'll reduce the opacity for this. So I'll go with a lot rounder corners again, and maybe group everything except the box. Control G, and then we have our, okay, so what color can I put here? course not. Maybe we'll have to go again with the gradient, linear gradient, and yeah, I'll remove this gradient all apart. I'll take it like this, and you know what? I can actually do maybe a neomorphic. Control C, Control V, and then give it a shadow. Give it a shadow to 3 again, like we did in the previous video. Okay, so we'll put it all the way back, and the top one will give it maybe shadow, will give it white, but yeah, white and white will not contrast, so I'll just leave it this way. I'll just leave it this way, and then I hope our icon is ready. Our icon is actually ready. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed it alongside the tutorial slash challenge accepted slash I don't know what else. But yeah, I hope you've got a few ideas how to integrate Illustrator and XD together. And yeah, thank you for watching. Do like, share the video with your friends, comment on the video so that I can improve myself. And till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.